exactly 1500 kilometer. Finally we entered Odisha border at this toll plaza and I can't tell you the excitement हम कल से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं. Hi guys, it's me Ritali. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are doing absolutely fine. So as I already promised you in the last vlog that I will be taking you guys along with me to some new places in Odisha. So today we are in Chilika Lake in Odisha. So if you have not much idea about Chilika Lake, then Chilika Lake is the second largest lake in India, and in Odisha it is connected to three major districts, that is Ganjam, Khordha and Puri. In Chilika we came to an island, that is Kalijai Island. So there is a history about this place and this island. So I will be sharing all the details and all the history behind this place in this vlog. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's start the vlog.
So, if you are coming to Chilika Lake, Barkul in specific, from Bhubaneswar, then the distance is 110 km and it will take around 2 hours to reach. And if you are coming from Barampur, then the distance is just 70 km and you will reach within 1 hour or 1.5 hour. Once we reached at Barkul, we hired a boat to visit Kalijai Island in Chilika Lake, and the boat will cost you around 1000 rupees for maximum of 10 people. There are many places to visit inside Chilika Lake, but we are specifically going to Ma Kalijai temple, which is situated in a small island in Chilika Lake, and there are many ways to catch a boat to visit Kalijai temple. You can come via Baluga or from Satapura, which is famous for dolphin, but we prefer to catch a boat from Barkul as the option of getting a boat here is more compared to other places. The boat ride will take around 45 minutes to reach at Kalijai Island. November to March would be the best season to visit Chilika Lake because it is the time when the lake is visited by many migrating birds. That's really beautiful to watch them flying around you on your way to Kalijai. If you want to watch more number of migrating birds, then just visit Nalabana Island in Chilika Lake, which is already declared as bird sanctuary. As I mentioned earlier that there is a history behind this Kalijai temple. So as per the history, there was a girl named Chai from nearby village was traveling by boat with her father in Chilika Lake to get married at Parikuda Island. But due to storm, the boat was capsized near this island on deep water and all survived except that girl Chai. It is believed that after her death, the girl became goddess Kali and worshipped as Kalijai in the same island. Next, we decide to visit Bateshwar beach, which is just 41 km from Barkul, Chilika. So getting to this beach is really easy, just 8 kilometers inside from NH16. And there is a temple situated near to the beach as well, named Pateshwar Temple, which is a 8th century temple. And about the beach was pristine and serene sea beach. It was such a fabulous trip. There is hardly any people visiting this beach. So peaceful and so beautiful. I hope you are enjoying roaming around Odisha with me. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back soon at another amazing place in Odisha. Tab tak ke liye, take care and thank you so much.